Hey guys, I hope you're doing great today. If you already are subscribed, thank you so much for watching. If you aren't subscribed, click the subscribe button right now so that I can bring you more financial updates in the future. The June jobs report just came out today. I talked about this in a video earlier today, but I figured I would touch on it right now for those who haven't heard about it yet. 4.8 million jobs were created in June. Now this is a great number. It's a phenomenal number, but it still isn't perfect because just last week there were 1.5 almost, I think it was 1.4 million jobs lost in just 1 week. There needs to be 14 million jobs brought back in order to be back to where we were, but you can't lose any jobs. It's not like you can gain 14 million but lose 12 million and be okay. You got to gain 14 million. So it's going to be a tough uphill climb with the jobs. Unemployment has dropped to 11.1%. This is down from about 14% previously. Stock market is slightly up today. The Dow, the S&P 500, and the Nasdaq were all up and in the positive today. This was majorly due to the jobs report and it being good, although it wasn't fantastic like I've mentioned. So the market's not up dramatically, but it is up a little bit. Tech IPOs, or initial public offerings, the first day that this company starts being traded on the stock market, they continue to be outrageous. Today there was an insurance company that IPO'd and their value more than doubled. And as people have looked at what their true value is based off of their profits, they aren't even a third of what they would be valued at with their stock price. So be careful when you're investing in IPOs, be careful when you're investing in general, but it can be a lucrative thing if you time it right, but 99% of the people aren't going to time it right and are going to lose. The way you can always win in the stock market is invest in the S&P 500. It averages 7% after adjusting for inflation. Before adjusting for inflation, it averages a 10% return each year for the last 100 years. So you can't go wrong by following the S&P 500. It might be down 1 year, but another year you might make 20%. So invest in many stocks, have a diverse portfolio, and you should be okay. If you aren't already investing in stocks, click the link below for either Webull or Robinhood. If you start an account with Webull, you get 1 free stock, totally free. You don't even have to pay anything to sign up. You just sign up with Webull. I have an account with them and it's great. As well, if you deposit $100 into their account, you'll get a second free stock. You can take that money out once you get your second free stock, honestly. You don't have to invest in anything. Also, I will put a link for Robinhood. If you sign up for Robinhood as well, you'll get another free stock. That's 3 free stocks. Totally free. You don't have to pay anything at all. You would just have to deposit that $100 for the second stock with Webull, but it would just be like sitting in your checking account. It would be no different. As I mentioned in yesterday's video, Trump is very much so still for a second stimulus check. He said he wants to spend more money than the Democrats have been wanting to spend. Now, he didn't specify it towards a stimulus check. He specified it towards money to the people. Now, this can be in the form of small business loans, stimulus checks, unemployment, and any other way that he can think of to get money to the people. But this isn't specifically just stimulus checks he's talking about. But it's good news, and it means that hopefully there will be another stimulus check soon. Obviously, I don't think they're going to do anything this week, and then they go on recess. And so basically, that's done. Although they do say they're going to talk throughout their recess, so we'll see. They come back from recess July 17th. I wouldn't expect a vote before then. Time will tell. That's all the financial news that I have for you guys today. I hope that this was helpful for some of you. If it was, if you don't mind clicking the like button, that's the way you can repay me for time that I've put into this video. I appreciate every single one of you guys watching. And if you aren't already subscribed, which a bunch of you probably aren't who are watching this, click this subscribe button right here. Hope you have a great rest of your day. And as usual in financial news videos, take care and comb your hair. Bye-bye.